Welcome everybody back to the Gratified Gardening Channel. You probably already guessed it just by looking at what's on the table. We're going to talk about fertilizer. In fact, we're going to do a little thing. It's going to be something you won't get told. It doesn't say it on the package, but we mix fertilizer here a little bit differently. As you can see, this is a 15-30-15. It's a Miracle-Gro. Yep, I use Miracle-Gro for a lot of things, especially for outdoor plants. Indoor plants I do a little bit different, but today we're talking outdoor. So here's how we mix this stuff. You see I've got a measuring cup, and I've got another cup over here, and you're probably going, oh my gosh, he's going to be like a mad scientist and mix that stuff. No, it's very simple. And once you understand the principle behind it, you'll start doing it too. Because for the most part, every time I water, or at least 9 out of 10 times I water, my plants get fed. Yep, they get fed.
How do you do that, Gary, without burning your plants?
That's simple. I'm glad you asked that question. Simple. I dilute it to maybe 1/5, 1/6, 1/8 of the strength. Like this Miracle-Gro, it's 1.5 tablespoons per gallon. Oh, baby, that's a lot. But I'll show you how I mix. You ready? Come over here. Okay, here's what I do. I reach a little bit in there. Look at that. I have my scientifically adapted fingers. I go over here to the bucket. A little more. And go over to the bucket again. And there we go. That's it. Now I won't bore you by filling it up with water. I'll pause the video, fill it, and then show you. Okay? Be right back. Now I can tell from the color of that's pretty darn near close to exactly what I want. So I'm not concerned that when I water, that I'm going to burn the roots at all. In fact, my adage is this: when I eat my tomatoes or whatever else I'm feeding, they eat too. Okay, not the once every 3 weeks or twice a feeding season or twice no, almost every time. And it's real simple. Just keep track of your results. I mentioned this in an article over on Gratified Gardening. So that will eventually get back up too. So there you have it. It's nothing simple, nothing difficult. You don't got to worry about, oh my gosh, do I got the right amount of tablespoons or teaspoons? Just take a couple pinches. This is a 5-gallon bucket. I always use 5. I also use 3. And they're very cheap. Buy them at Walmart for a couple bucks. And there's my mix where I'll water a whole bunch of plants. So that's it. That's how me, fertilize. It works. My results, I'll just give you a couple things here. My results kind of speak for themselves, really. Yeah. The method works. Method works. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, tell your friends, have some coffee and watch it, whatever. But thank you for stopping by. And my name's Gary, and that's it for today. Bye for now.